ever pondered why silence holds such importance in our lives? Why do spiritual practices around the world emphasize the need for moments of quiet solitude? Welcome to Spiritual Shangri-La, your sanctuary for exploring spirituality, mindfulness, and personal growth. Today's journey navigates the transformative power of silence. Contrary to what one might believe, silence isn't merely the absence of noise. It's a state of tranquility, serenity, and peace that brims with potential for our overall well-being. Silence, in its humble form, brings a plethora of benefits. It acts as a balm for stress, lowering blood pressure, heart rate, and cortisol levels. It's like a gentle whisper, soothing our frayed nerves and offering relief from the hustle and bustle of our daily lives. Moreover, silence behaves like a spotlight, focusing our attention and enhancing our cognitive faculties. By eliminating distractions, it boosts our concentration, memory, and problem-solving abilities. The result? Improved productivity and a marked increase in the quality of our work. Silence also serves as a mirror, reflecting our inner selves. It allows us to tune into our inner voice, discover our core values, and unearth our true purpose. This self-discovery enables authentic self-expression, helping us live a life that's in sync with who we truly are. But that's not all. Embracing silence fosters empathy and compassion. It opens our minds, enhances our understanding, and kindles kindness towards others. As a result, it strengthens our relationships and builds trust, creating a harmonious existence. On a spiritual level, silence is akin to a bridge, connecting us with our higher self. It guides us towards inner peace, sparks inspiration, and births a sense of gratitude. It's a pathway to the divine, an invitation to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe. Wondering how to harness the power of silence? Start small. Even a few minutes of silence each day can make a significant impact. Gradually, increase the duration and frequency as your comfort with silence grows. Cultivate mindfulness. Engage in practices that foster present-moment awareness. This not only helps you savor the silence, but also enriches your mind and soul. Create a silent space. A designated quiet area in your home or workspace can serve as your retreat, a sanctuary where you can bask in silence and ward off distractions. Embrace silence in your interactions. Listen actively, speak mindfully, and foster empathy. This not only deepens your connections with others, but also enhances mutual understanding. Finally, immerse yourself in nature's silence. Let the tranquility of nature nourish your soul and deepen your connection with the universe. Thank you for embarking on this exploration of silence's power. May these insights serve you well on your path to personal growth. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more enriching content. Until our paths cross again, namaste.